guys, I welcome you back to another show from Dine's Kitchen Cooking Channel. Today I will be preparing for you coconut fish. I will be using some vegetables here: carrot, sweet pepper, garlic, onion, some pimento seed, some turmeric powder, some fish spice, and some all-purpose seasoned salt. So first, you clean and wash your fish. I'll be using kingfish. Right, so you clean and wash your fish with some lime juice or vinegar. So after cleaning and washing your fish, you season your fish. So here I'll add some fish seasoning to this. So after seasoning your fish, you cover and leave for about 15 minutes, right? For the seasons to soak into the fish. Then into a pot, you add some oil, whether vegetable oil or olive oil. Then to the oil, you add some turmeric powder. This turmeric powder has a lot of spice to it. Allow the turmeric powder to brown. You want to allow it to brown. You're going to burn it in the oil. So I'll show you how I want this to look. So this is how I want it to look. See that brown? Right? To the oil, I'll add the vegetables. And then saute the vegetables into the oil. This will bring out the aroma from the vegetables. Have the garlic here, onion, carrot, and sweet pepper. To this, I will add some coconut milk. And I will bring this to a boil. And add the pimentos. So I will allow this to cook to a boil. Then I'll add my fish. Now, I'll add my fish. And then, after adding my fish, I will just let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes or until I get my custard. So catch me when I return. Hey guys, so this is my coconut fish. This is authentic, healthy, and delicious. Go ahead and try this meal. Do remember to subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share the videos, and comment. See you in my next video. One love.